So friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Soundpeats H3 earbuds and it's available on AliExpress and it's on sale right now. It has a lot of popularity on AliExpress, so I thought let's give it a try. So it's the Soundpeats most expensive earbuds as of now, and these are its specifications. It has Bluetooth version 5.4 and it has more than 37 hours playback time, and it has hybrid active noise cancellation as well. So let's unbox it first and then we'll talk more about it. So you receive some ear tips as well. This is the USB charging cable and this is the user guide, some stickers, and is it a warranty card, whatever it is. So these are all the accessories you get in the box. And this is the H3 earbud. Well, I am absolutely loving it. I am very interested in transparent shell products. So it has a transparent shell and its faceplate is golden color, and I really like its design. I hope they can easily fit my ears because they look somehow huge to me. So these are the earbuds. So without further delay, let me test it and then I'll come back with my honest opinion about it. Friends, so I have properly tested these earbuds and now I'm going to present my honest opinion to you guys. I just want to say buy them right now. They are super impressive, and most importantly, actually I don't think I ever had an earbud or earphone that fits 100% properly in my ears. They are very comfortable in my ears and they fit very properly in my ears. They look huge, but they will be in your ears 100% perfectly placed. So that's the point which I really liked. And as far as the sound quality is concerned, it is super impressive. It's incredible. It has a lot of detail and it has very impressive sound stage. Vocal clarity is amazing and the bass is just so powerful and balanced and perfectly composed, and there is no harshness in it, and the treble is also very balanced. It is actually a proper sound museum. My last favorite earbud from Soundpeats was Air 4 Pro, and this is the, well, I have actually tested a lot of Soundpeats earbuds, actually I think more than 10. So my favorite was Soundpeats Air 4 Pro only, but now this is my most favorite Soundpeats earbuds. So there is nothing more to say except this is excellent, and you can play it all day long and you won't have fatigue or any kind of discomfort in your ears, and the sound is also very smooth and balanced, and most importantly it's on sale right now, so you don't need to miss this opportunity. I will provide you the discount code, and the earlier you use the discount code, the better you have the chances to avail the discount code, as it may expire. So go and act fast. You can see it has more than 2000 plus sales on AliExpress and it is incredible. and its active noise cancellation is also very good. Similarly, the transparency mode is also very good. If you have any questions, you can ask me. But as far as the case is concerned, actually I'm not a big fan of this case. It could have been better, or because I think it does not look much elegant to me. But as far as the earbuds are concerned, well, they look classic, they look very elegant, they look beautiful, and the golden color is just so amazing. The transparent shell is very impressive, the sound is good, so it is a go ahead buy earbud, and I recommend it 100%. So if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments. I am superly impressed by these earbuds.